Hey everybody, just a quick check-in. So we're wrapping up week 7, heading on to week 8. Week 7 obviously completes our conversation of memory. As this announcement says, I hope now that you have a better appreciation for your memory and the role that it plays in your life. Remember that long-term memory is always behind the scenes, ready to retrieve information for you. Sometimes it needs some cues, sometimes it needs some help, and sometimes we do forget. But just remember the amazing capacity of your long-term memory. And don't rely on your short-term memory. Remember, short-term memory is only 20 seconds. It's like an assembly line. Things are coming on, but they're slowly falling off the other end, and we only have room for so much. Week 8 is going to be a review on learning as it relates to all the different behaviors that you've acquired. It's the same thing in terms of like how you've trained your dog to go outside, to go to the bathroom. You give him treats, and that acts as a reinforcer. And then your dog comes in after a walk and automatically expects a treat, just like we expect things in school. We get grades, we get points for coming to class, and so forth. Just a reminder that our announcements page will include several different announcements throughout the week. So right now we have this Welcome to Week, well, it should say 8, but wrapping up Week 7, Welcome to Week 8 announcement. We have an exam alert coming up on Monday, 10/28. So remember, your study guide can be found here. Similar test as previous time. It's going to be on these 3 chapters. Chapters 3, Sensation Perception, Chapter 6 on Memory, and Chapter 5 on Learning. This is an older announcement, but a couple of changes. The due date for the annotated bibliography is now next Friday the 1st, due to the exam being on Monday, to give you some extra time to prepare for that. And again, the study guide is available. So make sure you're always checking our announcements page and scrolling down several times a week, each week, for whether it's a video from me or certainly just an announcement. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll talk to you all soon.